Is Ethereum set to outperform Bitcoin? Today, I'm presenting to you as to why I believe that may be the case going forward. Because Bitcoin has already surpassed its previous all-time high of $20,000 onto reaching $45,000 in January 2021 before correcting down in the $30,000 level. But Ethereum is still trading below its all-time high of $1,400. And why I think it is about to break that level and go much higher. I will also be giving you guys my short-term price target for Ethereum and also my long-term price target. Welcome back to Chibind Brothers. I'm Joel. Please hit the like button and also subscribe because it helps us with the YouTube algorithm to get our videos to a wider audience. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a digital currency or cryptocurrency, and it is also the second largest cryptocurrency behind Bitcoin by market capitalization. Think of it this way. In the case of Ethereum, it's basically the total value of all available Ethereum in the market. It's basically calculated by taking the price of Ethereum multiplied by the total amount of Ethereum available in the market. What is Ethereum trying to accomplish? Ethereum is trying to build a decentralized network which houses smart contracts. And this smart contract will be able to power the constructions or development of decentralized applications which can be used in the real world, and we will explain shortly how that works. Let's now look at the fundamentals of Ethereum and how they set Ethereum apart from Bitcoin by also building a bullish case for Ethereum. The primary fundamental difference between the two coins is the intent behind their creation. When you look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin was created more as a medium of exchange and store of value. Medium of exchange because it allows you to basically transact in a peer-to-peer transactions. For exactly being able to purchase something without the need of a middleman or a financial institution like a bank. While Ethereum was created with the intent to have smart contracts that basically enables the creation or development of decentralized applications. And these applications can be used in the real world. The other thing here is that Ethereum is considered to be a second generation blockchain. Basically, this means that Ethereum is trying to solve the issues that Bitcoin has. For example, one of the issues that Bitcoin has is the low transactions times. For example, Bitcoin can only process about 5 Bitcoin per second, while Ethereum right now, with the Ethereum 1.0, Ethereum can basically process about 15 transactions a second. But Ethereum has been working on what they call Ethereum 2.0. Basically, it's an upgrade that is trying to solve the issue of scalability. And scalability is basically being able to increase the transactions time. So with Ethereum 2.0, they are hoping that Ethereum will be able to scale their transactions from 15 transactions a second to 100,000 transactions a second. That is crazy. The next thing also with Ethereum is that Ethereum 2.0 will be introducing what they call a change from a proof of work protocol to a proof of stake protocol. Now, what is a proof of work? When you look at Bitcoin, for example, Bitcoin works or is being mined by what they call a proof of work protocol. Mining is basically the addition of more Bitcoin in the circulating supply. So then the proof of work protocol is basically a protocol that uses powerful computing power and a lot of energy to be able to solve complex algorithms, which allows the addition of blocks to the blockchain. And then this is a process that is incentivized. Basically means that for anyone that successfully had a block to a blockchain gets rewarded a certain amount of Bitcoin. And as of now, Ethereum also works the same way. But with the upgrade coming with Ethereum 2.0, Ethereum will be moving from the proof of work protocol to a proof of stake protocol. And the proof of stake basically eliminates the need of computing power and a lot of energy, and basically only allows the mining of Ethereum through what they call staking. And staking is basically taking a certain amount of Ethereum coins or Ethereum tokens and then stake them to be able to add more blocks to the Ethereum blockchain, which is also incentivized. The other thing with Ethereum is that Ethereum has a lot more real world usage, as it's basically enabling the constructions of decentralized applications. With these decentralized applications, for example, can you imagine being able to create a new social media app, for example, like Facebook, that is completely decentralized? For example, with Facebook right now, Facebook is a company that is not decentralized. It is actually centralized because Facebook is controlled by a group of people. But in the case of decentralized applications, basically you can be able to create apps like Facebook that is completely decentralized, that is not controlled by a group of people, and that will also solve the issue of censorship. Like as of now, many people are not happy with the censorship going on with the social media company like Twitter or Facebook and many others. The other thing too here is that if you are very bullish on DeFi, decentralized finance, then you should also be bullish on Ethereum, because all of these decentralized finance applications like Have or Yearn Finance are being built on the Ethereum blockchain. What is decentralized finance? Basically, these decentralized finance applications are applications that basically try to provide the services that a financial institution like a bank would provide. But the only difference here is that the app is decentralized, whereas the traditional bank that we use are completely controlled by a group of people. The idea here is that the decentralization brings more trust to the user. The problem that makes this all very bullish for Ethereum is that for all these developers that are creating all these applications on the Ethereum network, for them to be able to build these applications, they have to hold the Ethereum token. That means the more people who are coming into the network to build these applications, the more the demand for the Ethereum token will be increasing. Let's now look at the exciting technical aspect of Ethereum versus Bitcoin. As of now, Ethereum is still trading below its all-time high of $1,400. Once it breaks above that level, I believe that Ethereum will be going exponential like Bitcoin has been going within the last few months. If we go back 1 year to January of 2020, when we look at the performance of Ethereum versus Bitcoin from January of 2020 to January of 2021, Ethereum has actually been outperforming Bitcoin, as Ethereum is up just over 600%, while Bitcoin is only up just over 300%. This means that Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin within the last year by a factor of 2. The Ethereum market cap is growing much faster than the Bitcoin market cap. To put this into perspective, at the time of this recording, within the first 16 days of 2021, Ethereum is up 70%, while Bitcoin is only up 23.5%. This shows that the Ethereum market cap, or the price of Ethereum, since they are directly proportional, is growing much faster than that of Bitcoin. At this rate, I think that Ethereum is set to double its market price within a short to mid-term time frame. This means that if the market cap of Ethereum doubles in the short term, since the market capitalization is directly proportional to the price, that means that the price of Ethereum should be doubling in the short to mid-term. Short to mid-term, to me, means that the price of Ethereum will be hitting a minimum of $2,000 a coin in 2021. So $2,000 a coin is my short to mid-term price target for 2021. The next bullish argument for Ethereum is that many experts in the space are saying that Ethereum market cap will end up surpassing that of Bitcoin. I like to be very conservative. Let's assume that the current Ethereum market cap ends up equaling the current Bitcoin market cap. So then, for the current Ethereum market cap to equal the current Bitcoin market cap, that means that the current Ethereum market cap has to be multiplied by a factor of 4.8. almost 5. This means that if Ethereum ends up equaling the current Bitcoin market cap, and we assume that the total amount of Ethereum in the market doesn't change and stays constant, that means that the current price of Ethereum, which is about 1240 at the time of this recording, has to be multiplied by a factor of 4.8, which basically gives us a price per coin of about $6,000. So guys, $6,000 is my long-term price target for Ethereum. The other bullish case for Ethereum also comes from the aspect of institutional investors. What I think is that institutional investors, which are the big funds such as the Vanguard or the Fidelity, people who manage billions and billions of dollars, by the time when money like these people decides to start leaving Bitcoin because they feel Bitcoin is a little bit overextended, and then they start looking for other cryptocurrency projects where they could move the money into, and they realize that Ethereum does actually have a lot of value versus Bitcoin because of its decentralized applications, they will be moving their money into Ethereum. And that right there will skyrocket the price of Ethereum. And the last bullish case is on January 14th, a crypto quant analyst reported that reserves of Ethereum being kept on exchanges fell by 20% in 48 hours. What are reserves? Reserve basically is the number of Ethereum that are being kept on exchanges like Coinbase, where you go to buy your cryptocurrency. This means that if the supply or the reserves of Ethereum is shrinking that fast, that means usually that a lot of people are taking their Ethereum coins out of the exchange and sending them into their cryptocurrency wallet. Placing your crypto into a wallet is usually an indication that you're going to be holding for the long term. That means you're not going to be selling soon. And that right there is a very bullish case for Ethereum as well. Because if the Ethereum supply keeps shrinking at this rate, we could actually end up into a supply crisis, which is even more bullish because that could literally end up skyrocketing Ethereum much higher than $6,000 a coin. That right there, guys, remember that was a very conservative price target that I came up with. Now, thank you for watching this video. I hope that I provided you with enough value. If I did, please consider hitting the like button and to subscribe as well, because that helps us with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.